All right, so we're going to see if these two expressions are equivalent. One way that x is a number. We just don't know what it is yet. But we could say, well, you know what? If these are equivalent and I plug in a number like 1, I say if x is 1 and plug in 1 here for x, I should get the same result here. So let's give it a try. Let's take our equation, and instead of x, let's put in 1. So instead of 4 x's, I have 4 1s minus 2 plus 8. And let's give it a try. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 2s is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14. So let's do this over here. So I've got 2 times 6 1s plus 1. 6 1s is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 2 7s certainly is 14. These are equivalent when x is 1. That's not enough for me to say that these two expressions are equivalent. So let me try another number. Let's say, well, what if x is 2? Will they still be equivalent? And then I'll be convinced. So let's see here. And let's take out the 1, and let's put in a 2. Let's say, what happens when x is 2? So 4 2s is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 6s is 18. And 18 plus 8 is 26. So let's see if this expression simplifies down to 26. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So 2 13s is 26. I feel pretty darn confident to say that these two expressions are equivalent. Doing it in a different way, which is my favorite, is to use the distributive property and leave the x's in there and see what we really have. So here I have 3 of these. I got 3 of these guys. I got 3 4x minus 2s. So I've got a 4x minus 2. I've got another 4x minus 2. And I've got another 4x minus 2. All together, if I added them all up, that would be 4x's, 8x's, and then 12 x's. And I've got 2 negatives, 4 negatives. That makes 6 negatives. So this part is 12x minus 6. And I also have a plus 8. So if I'm going to take this and I'm going to add 8, what do I get here? Well, the 12x's stay 12x's. Negative 6 plus 8 is plus 2. So this expression simplifies down to 12x's plus 2. What is this guy? Well, I just have 2 6x plus 1s. I've got a 6x plus 1, and I've got another 6x plus 1. And if I add those guys together, I get 12x plus 2 as well. Shouldn't be a surprise. We're just confirming what we knew before, that these expressions are equivalent.